Look at this.
This is the area where we lost our drone. So last time we didn't manage to go down. That's why we want to see the beach. Come, let's go. Almost all of the beach here in Bali.
No, Uluwatu area, Uluwatu Nusa Dua area.
Almost all the beach here in Uluwatu and Nusa Dua, you need to go down in the stairs just to reach the beach. This is our first time, so I don't know how far it is. Later I feel tired again because I'm carrying Luchik. But going down is more okay than going up. Going up is very tiring, so later Archie will carry Luchik because it's very tough for me to go up. It's more easy to go down. Okay, I think it's not that far because I already can see there. It's already going down, so I'm happy it's not that far. Okay, so this is the last stairs. I still have energy to go down.
Which way we choose, right or left? Yeah. This looks more promising.
Unfortunately, I already saw that the beach is dirty. It has a lot of garbage. So please help the environment. Stop throwing garbage, please, because it is not nice. You enjoy good beach, but you see the trash. How? Please don't throw garbage, okay?
Look at this.
This is the reality. Once it rains, the garbage go in the beach area. The waves push all the garbage which we throw. We explored another white sandy beach in Nusa Dua. This place is quiet and mostly locals come by to enjoy the beach. When we came here, we didn't expect a lot of rubbish in the beach shore. These rubbish problems happens after a strong winds along with the heavy rains, wherein the tide washes tons of garbage in the shoreline. This problem is not only here in Indonesia, but also some other Asian countries like Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. Bali also do their best by doing cleanup operation to maintain cleanliness of the beach. By sharing awareness of reducing consumption of single-use plastic items, we also reduce the chances of this ending up in the ocean. We saw a local bringing a bunch of different types of fish which he just caught using a spear. He said that they will cook this for their meal. I can already imagine how fresh and tasty this fish once cooked using Indonesian spices. This time I want to try to climb the stairs with Luchik. Let's see if I can do it, okay? Okay, the first challenge begins. Second stairs. I'm already starting to feel tired. Oh no! Okay, third challenge. I think this is the last stairs. So how we go? Woo! This is the last one. Finally. Oh, I did it.
Flashback.
Why you run? No need to run.
We are going to explore another secret spot in Bali. To go to this beach, you need to find the dirt trails leading you into the hidden Pemutih Beach.
Hello.
Your destination is on the right.
But at least no need to climb, mom. No, actually need, mom. Actually need. Wow.
Wow! It's quite common here in Uluwatu-Beaches that before you reach the beach, you need to go. How to say?
You need to go down.
Okay.
You need to always challenge the stairs. That all beaches is located in the cliff.
Most of the beach here in Uluwatu area is you need to go down on the cliff by stairs, so it's a bit tiring. But once you go down, oh my god, it's totally worth it. The beach is very nice. Come, let's go.
A few moments later.
Battery for drone, mom. Because this is my worry.
I don't need this one. This one a bit silly. I don't need.
I don't know. This is Maroon Lake, this is private, you see? I think this is road to the beach.
Let me see. Very cool. Have lift. It's my first time to see lift going down to the beach. When we came here, we're also lucky to meet the sunset, which is so beautiful and gives a romantic feeling. A cool and quiet place to chill and watch surfers enjoying the waves, and also on the left side is where Padang is.
If you know
favorite dish here. We always order this. This is very nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!